So one more new backend for the WinCC Open Architecture next generation archive logger. So I have made now one for Timebase, for the Timebase historian, which is an open source historian made by Flow software. And you see here now an overview of the datasets, one for alert, one for event. And you see already we are now currently logging about 22,000 value changes per second to the historian. And here we see the WinCC OA system. Here we see the Timebase backend running as a manager for the next generation archiver. You also see here the load is not really that high, so everything runs normal and smoothly. Also the database server does not need a lot of CPU. So, and also nice to see is that querying data is also pretty fast. So here we have a trend in WinCC Open Architecture, and you see already, this is querying the last, I don't know, 1 hour or so. So really pretty fast. And also when I scroll back, then the data is fetched from the historian. Pretty amazing fast. So yeah, really nice to see. And let's now increase the load a little bit. So let's see, 5. Here we see the amount of value changes per second. What we are simulating here, with Node.js JavaScript manager in WinCC OA. And we are simulating here more than 100,000 tags changing. And now they are changing about 75,000 value changes per second. Let's increase it a little bit more to come above the 100,000. So WinCC OA is now handling 100,000 value changes per second, coming in from two managers. This is like getting the data from PLCs, and then we are distributing the data, in that case also to our logger, and all of the data is logged to the historian. We see now it is using a little bit more CPU, but also not that high for 100,000 value changes per second. And also the WinCC OA system is running under a normal condition, let's say. So yeah, pretty cool to see one more new logger for WinCC OA. And if you are interested in logging data from WinCC Open Architecture to Timebase, drop me a message. Thank you.